little nigga. I ain't gotta touch her, I just send my little hitter. One false move, I'ma tell them pull the trigger. Niggas real pussy, they be on snake shit. Bait on the line, time to go fishing. Badass jig whipping in the kitchen. Fake ass love, keep it distant. Mama told me right, but I didn't listen. I'm going dumb, I'ma pop my shit. Nigga talking crazy, I'ma fuck his bitch. Running from 12, so I hid in the ditch. 21 questions, but I didn't wanna snitch. Too many niggas really can't say that. Soon as they get caught, they go turn into a rat. Fucking on shorty only cause the ass fat. Niggas talking money, but I ain't putting out no stacks. Hit it with the pump, make it blow out his back. Making money plays, but the rim like Shaq. Lean in my cup, bro, sipping on yak. Bitch, I'm a Leo, you can see it on my back. I'm lit in the club, I don't know how to act. She asked what's that drip, told her baby it's that splat. I don't want your love, let me hit it from the back. My name whole weight, I be running up new stats. Walk down on him, I'ma hit him with the K. Drums on that bitch, all I gotta do is spray. Number one rule, never stash where you lay. Can't be lazy, man, I'm trying to get paid. So these niggas love, they gon' show you some shade. I'm rare as a bitch, like a day walk a blade. Knock a nigga out, I'ma get that boy a fade. I came from the hood, man, why you gotta hate? Say you ride me, man, you must be crazy. Always by myself, cause these niggas is shady. Young as a bitch, fucking on you old lady. Bitch on the plug with my money, yeah, pay me. Coming from the gutter like I came from Haiti. Talking that shit, but it really don't faze me. Shit, but it really don't and we running up a check. Pussy ass nigga, yeah, you better get back. 12 hit the block, I'ma hit 4 flat. Talking about money, bitch, you been did that. If it ain't about money, you don't want no chit chat. Already fuck, you can have your bitch back. My aim too good, I'ma take off his hat. I'm spitting straight flames on every single track.